Hello student, welcome back to the online class. This is Melba taking computer class for you. I hope everyone followed computer class each and every day. Please at least spend 10 to 15 minutes to learn the portion. All the portion you have to learn it. Exams are coming. I said the previous class itself, I said for you only 2 lessons. First 2 lessons, learn one word and a question answer. Utilize your time, don't waste the time. Again and again I am telling the same thing. Don't waste the 1 year, please utilize it. Okay, without further delay I am going to take the class. Let's get into the class. Okay student, last 2 classes I am taking this lesson 3, advanced features of Excel 2016. Let's see some recall about this lesson. Okay student, have you remember what we learned in the last class? Those who are following, they may know what I teach in the previous class. Okay, I started the lesson 3, advanced features of Excel 2016. In this lesson, 6 main topics is there. Let's see what are they. First one is autofill. Have you heard the word autofill? Okay, second one is a flash fill. Third point is sorting. Fourth one is filtering. Fifth one is conditional formatting, and the last one is more sorting and filtering. These are the main topic of this lesson. In this main topic, last class we learned the first two, that is autofill and the flash fill. Up to last class I have completed autofill, flash fill and sorting. Okay. What are the topic I have completed in the last class? Can you say? First topic is autofill, second flash fill, and third one is sorting. Once again I am repeating these 3 points. Listen, what is autofill, what is flash fill and what is sorting. Okay. Let's listen about the autofill. Autofill is nothing. It allows you to fill the range of the cell with a series of data without actually typing it in. You may know, you remember, autofill, we no need to type the full column. Just one is enough. Automatically all the column we can fill it. Here 2 predefined series are there. First one, month of the year and the days of the week. Have you remember the example? In this first column, if we type January, then using the mouse, if you drag the whole column, automatically all the column it will fill the January, February, March, April, all the month automatically it fill. That is called autofill. Like the days of the week also same like that. In the first column, first line, if you type Sunday, after that if you drag the mouse through the whole column, automatically it will fill the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those who watch the previous video, they may know these things. Okay. Next we will see about the flash fill. Enter the data in the format you want in the first cell. Select the next cell in the column and press Ctrl E to fill rest of the cell in the column with the series of values in the same format. That is the meaning of the flash fill. Okay. If you here main 3 steps is there to do the flash fill. First you have to enter the first name, last name and the mail ID. If you assign in the first cell, no need to type in the second cell. If you only have to type the first name, then press Ctrl E button, automatically all the column it will fill. Okay, that is the use of the flash fill. Have you understand the autofill and the flash fill? These 2 topics already we learned in the previous class. Okay, now we are going to see about the third subheading. Here they mention One of the Microsoft Excel's most useful feature is the ability to sort the data. Sorting, rearranging the data which may be textual, numerical or alphanumerical in a specified order. Here you can see the data are not arranging in the Excel, but the sorting will arrange everything in the proper manner. That is called as a sorting. Okay, before getting into the lesson, listen how to open the MS Excel. Already we learned how to open the MS Excel in the previous video. Anyway, listen how to open it. First you have to click the start button and selecting the Microsoft Excel 2013. Press the MS Excel 2013 and here the third option is Excel 2013. Then one blank worksheet will be there. Press it and maximize the sheet. That is the main sheet of the MS Excel 2013. Have we clear how to open it? In this Excel sheet only we are going to sort it. Okay, first you have to type the data. Then after that we are going to arranging the data. Have you clear? Have you got it how to open it? Okay student, let's listen about today's the main topic, filtering. From the word itself you may know what is filtering. Filtering means the unwanted things we can filter it. Okay, the filter feature selectively block or hide the data you don't want to see it. A filter range displays only the rows column that meets the conditions or criteria you specify. Filtering is a quick and easy way to find and work with selected data. Unlike sorting, filtering does not rearrange the data. It temporarily hides the rows and columns you don't want to consider as of now. You can edit, format or print the chosen ranges of the filtered data. Okay, there are three types of filter in Excel. The first one is by a list value. Second one is format. Third one is and by a criteria. Excel provides two commands for filtering data ranges. Filter for simple criteria and advanced filter for complex criteria. In this chapter, we will discuss the simple filter feature. Let us take an example to understand how to use this feature. Have you understand filtering? It's nothing. We have to filter the data. We have to avoid the unwanted things. Okay, that is called as filtering. Let's see some example of how to do the filtering. Okay, first you have to enter the data as shown in the window. Can you able to see? Okay, first you have to enter some data. After that, you have to select all the things from A1 to D1. A1 to D1 you have to select it. Then click Home tab. In the Home tab, press Sort and Filter tab and select the filter option. From the top drop down menu, select filter. Otherwise, go to the data tab. Now can you see after clicking the filter tab, all the heading near the filter option will be there. The drop down list will be displayed. Otherwise, go to the data tab, click the data and filter. Same thing, all the heading near the drop down list will be displayed. There select any one drop down menu arrow and the presented with various options. Can you see? Here you have to select any one. in the mouth, Bay of Bengal alone. If you want, you press it and click OK button. Down you can see only the Bay of Bengal options will be displayed, others it won't be displayed. Okay. Now this arrow, the drop down menu arrow means that filter is enabled but not applied. Filter is enabled, we can filter it but it's not applied. But this symbol is denote filter is enabled as also applied. When you bring the mouse pointer over this icon, the filter criteria display as the screen trip. Okay, again we can change it back. Okay, one more point I am doing. Bay of Bengal or Arabian and Sea. Only Arabian and select and click OK. Now you can able to see. Can you see the both the option? Okay, these are about this. How to filter it. If you want to get it again, the same thing. Press the clear button. The previous option will be displayed. That's all about the filtering option. Have you get some idea? Okay. In this topic, in this filtering topic, we are going to see under 3 subheadings: customs filtering, highest or lowest value filtering by searching the data. Okay, under this 3 topic, we are going to see the brief about what is filtering. Okay, first we will see what is custom filtering. Let's see what is custom filter. You can also use the auto filter to filter data based on the certain specific condition. This is called the custom filtering. For example, let us say you want to display only the data which shows a length in kilometers greater than or equal to 700 but less than or equal to 2500, which means the particular amount alone, particular numbers alone you have to show it. We can customize and we can show the customs filtering. Using the custom filtering, we can show only the particular values. Okay, I will show the demo how to do it. Listen. First go to the length than kilometer. One drop down list will come. There you have to press the number filter. In that number filter press more options are there. Does not equal, greater than, or. There you press that greater than or equal to. Here you have to enter any number, 700. Under that also more options are available. That's your wish. Which one want to show it, that option you have to press it and enter the data and click. Now you can see only the 700 to 2500, that above 700 to less than 2500 kilometers alone we can show it. Okay, if you want to get it back, again you have to select all, press it, and anything else you want to do it. Press the number A filter, does not equal, any other option. Any other option you can type in and click the enter option. This option is not available, does not equal 800. I am just type it and I am showing. You can is greater than or equal to, type some number. This option is not available. Greater than or equal to 4000 is not available. If you press OK, nothing will be shown. Can you see? Okay. Then some other option, which one you want, you can press it and you can select it and you can check it. Those who have the lab in your home, you see the condition, see the instruction, follow the instruction and try to do it. I am pressing less than, any number I am typing, less than 1000. Press OK. You can see less than 1000 what are the numbers are available. You can see it. That's all about the custom filtering. Have you understand? You can customize the filter. You can construct the filtering. Okay, you have to create something. What are the things you want, you can use it and you can follow it. This is about the custom filtering. Okay, let's see the second topic. The second topic is highest or lowest value. Filtering also enables you to easily view the highest and lowest value from a large set of data. For such a kind of custom filtering, remove the filter already applied to the worksheet. What are the filter you applied previously? Everything you have to remove it. To find out the shortest river or the highest river, using this option we can check it. Okay, let's see how to do it. Go to the number filter, press the number filter in the auto filter drop down menu. Here you have to press the top 10. The top 10 auto filter dialog box appear. From the first drop down menu, choose bottom. Then here you have to press type 2 or type 3 is your wish. From the bottom it will show. Okay, bottom 3 values or bottom 2 value it will show. I am typing bottom 3. Then click OK. The bottom 3 length in kilometer you can show it. Okay, not only bottom, you can press the top value also. Similarly, you can display the longest river or shortest, everything. Top okay, top 9. So I am pressing top 7, 8, 9. Press OK. Now we can show it all the top 7 river length it will display. Okay, this is all about the highest or lowest value. Have you understand? Okay, next we will see the third topic. The third topic is filtering by searching data. In case you want to filter out a specific value out of thousands of rows of data, you can search for your preferred value in the list. For example, I will show under that mouth option, press the drop down menu. Here in the search box, inside the search box you can type anything. If you type merge with, mean only that mouth inside under the mouth option, only the merge with gangs only will display. Okay, like that, using the data also you can write there and you can do it. Not only number, data also you can see. Okay, if you want to check some other thing, once again press the mouth tab inside the search option. You can type Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal. What are the under the heading, what are the things is there? That thing you can type it. First you have to remove it or anything. Here also type it, otherwise remove it and type Bay of Bengal. Only the Bay of Bengal will be displayed. Have you understand the filtering? Okay, this topic is very easy. Only about the filtering. Okay, we have to remove the unwanted things, and what are the wanted things, you can show it using the filtering method. Only this. Have you understand? Okay. Okay, student, up to this I wound up the section. This third lesson, today I am teaching about filtering. Under that filtering I have completed 3 subheading. Have you remember? Can you say what are the subheading I teach under that filtering? What is filtering? We can avoid the unwanted things using the filtering. The 3 subheading is custom filtering, highest or lowest values, and filtering by searching the data. Okay, in this third lesson I have completed first 4 subheading: autofill, flash fill, sorting and filtering. Remaining 2 heading we will see the next class. Okay, each and every day learn the portion, utilize the time, be safe. Okay, learn the portion well. Okay, we will meet the other end of the section. Until bye, take care.